Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video in the View and Talks World. Today I got an awesome paid watch face for you all to check out that not only is it worthy of a download, this one here is also affordable in the Gear Manager store. So you got to check this out after the video. But let's go ahead. Let's take a closer look at this watch face. Now the name of the developer that created this one goes by the name of HMK Watch. This guy gets down. He has created some of the baddest watch faces you ever want to see in the Gear Manager store. Now the name of it is called Digi 076. Now I love the look of this watch face. I like how it stands out, and in the AOD mode you are pretty much going to get the same look. You're going to get your digital time at a glance with no problem. Once the watch face is on, I love the realism of the moon phase. I like the setup of not only the date but the digital time, and also you're going to get your battery percentage down at the bottom. This is definitely a nice look for a casual wear or any given time of the day. This one here gets my stamp of approval. But let's check out the features and functions of this watch face, right? So up at the top, I'm going to double tap. You can get your recents. Also, if we double tap over here, you can pull up, of course, a shortcut that you could set. And if I double tap right here, I can get my weather. I tap right here, I can go ahead and go into my calendar. So you got a lot of features and functions that stands out about this watch face. Let's double tap here. We can customize the color theme of the watch face to blend in to whatever it is that you want for that day, and or just choose your favorite color. Thought this was awesome. And let's tap right over here, and I could pull up, of course, my alarm. Let's tap right here, double tap, and then I could change the color theme again on this side. Not bad. Let's tap right here, and I can go into my battery, of course, and one more time over here I can go ahead and play my music on my run, and I'm all good. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And if you want to see more just like this one, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.